What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Lively Outdoors. I got Mom out here with me. We are up on Cottonmouth Creek, and I'm going to do a little challenge today with a Rebel Honda and Creek Pack. I don't know if you've ever seen this. Picked it up at Walmart, actually, whenever my wife and I were in Georgia. You've got a little spinner right here, then you've got a cricket, and then you've got a crawdad, and then a Kata crawler, which is kind of like a caterpillar. Basically is what it looks like. Well, I'll try to catch something on each one today and see how that goes. It looks like a really good pack. I mean, for $9.99, I don't really think you could beat something like that if you're just getting into ultralight fishing. I brought my ultralight TFO. I was going to bring my other rod, but this one was already rigged up. So I'm going to cut off my buzz bait that I've got on it from last weekend, and I'm going to stick one of these on there. We're going to see if we can't catch a couple bluegill, smallmouth, largemouth, spotted bass, something in here. And all that's in here. There's some catfish and gar too, but hopefully we'll catch some decent fish. I don't know. It's a nice cool day today. It's been pretty dang hot. Then all of a sudden it just dropped off. It was like 114, 115 heat index for like a month, and then it dropped off one day and was 70 for like a week, and then it got hot again. And today it's like in the 70s, then it's going to heat up to mid 90s all next week. So anyway, we're on the creek today and we're going to have fun. I'll stop talking and see y'all on the banks. All right, first up we got I went ahead and tied the craw on because everything in this creek loves craws. But this is the Rebel craw, and yeah, there's another hitting. Oh, I'm getting the crap knocked out of me, but I just can't get them. They're probably too small. We'll get one in a minute. One of them will take a hook. Yeah. We'll go up to the honey hole here in a minute. There he is. Yeah. Little smallie. Yeah, he's a decent little creek smallie. There we go. Hold on, buddy. I gotta get your picture now. Looking all pretty like that. Yeah, there you go. There he goes. Right off on the sunset. Or sunrise, whatever you want to call it. That was weird. A bluegill was hitting on it, just thumping on it, and I started to reel it in, and that smallmouth hit it. Oh, there went another one. Yeah, these boots, I'm just this deep, and they're full of water.
Oh, no.
Just the left one. The right one's not filling up yet. I mean, it will, but not yet. We may catch quite a few with this water being this low. There's another one, another smallmouth. He's coming right at me. Come on, buddy.
Got another one?
Yeah.
And you're out there in the shallow.
No, I'm throwing in a hole over there. There you go, bud. Another little smallie. These guys, they still fight good on ultralight. Ah, my hands smell like fish now. Well, this little crawdad is doing work. Well, I guess I need to got two smallmouth on this, so I'll switch over to the next one. I was getting a little happy there. See if we can catch something on this other one. Let's see, cricket. We'll try the cricket this time. Take the crawdad off and we'll try a cricket. This one's already got a hook in it. This spinner comes with a hook, this one comes with a hook, this one comes with a hook, and then the crawdad comes with a hook. then you've got some extras down here. So since I've already got a hook on there, I'm just going to take one of the crickets out from down here that doesn't have a hook. And these are live flex, so they flex. They're kind of like a Z-Man type, you know, that flexibility that you know I love and have used for years now, except these actually have a scent inside of them. And oh, that cricket, look at that, man. Black on top, gold on bottom. Ooh, that looks pretty dang good. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you what, if that don't look good. Whoo-wee. These are daggum good creek lures right here. There we go, little smallie on the cricket. We'll see if we can't catch another one. This one's a little bitty guy. You're a little bitty guy, huh? So I'm just trying to hang out, eat stuff. There we go. Get that out of your mouth. There's a little one. There you go, buddy. Just toss you back over there. Go right back over where you're at. You're like crap. But I get smacked right over there. There he is. Alright, so we're two and oh, that one came off. Well, this may be a mistake. Look at all the little minnows. I gotta get up here and catch something. Well, these are some dangerous slick rocks, man. And wobbly rocks. See, I'd walk over there. But here I know if I'm seeing a cottonmouth. That's why I call this Cottonmouth Creek. That's not actually the name of it, guys. Just so you know. I just don't put the name out there very much because, yeah, don't need every Tom, Dick, and Harry out here fishing holes. But I've seen, dispatched, and relocated numerous cottonmouths and copperheads. Mainly cottonmouths though. Only 2 copperheads. I need to put a crawdad back on here. There he is. Finally got you there, buddy. Thank you for taking that. You just made my day. You just made my day, man. I'll get that out your throat real quick, or out your mouth. Look at that little guy. But man, hey, he's got some scars on him. Sure, a pretty guy. Let's get you back in there, bud. You're on the wrong way. Oh, there's a cottonmouth. I don't know if y'all can see him, but that's a big cottonmouth right up there. Just chilling out right on top of the water. There he is. Yeah, there's a big old cottonmouth sitting over there. I'm catching smallies. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. That's the best one of the day so far, I think. Pretty close to it. He's just chilling right down here beside me. You kind of shook up, huh? Sorry, man. I can take you down here. Here you go, bud. You got it. It's just some air. It's just some air. Yeah. Oh, I'm not walking down there. I think I'm done. Ooh, there's a good one.
He went under that rock.
Yeah, smallmouth love rocks like that. That's a fish, I think. Yeah, gotcha, buddy. Come on this way. I don't know where you're at. I said, oh, you're flying, flying upstream. There he is. Come on over here. Look at him. He's like, I'm going upstream, get rid of this thing. I don't know what happened. Come on, buddy. Gotcha. Well, y'all are right. Just a little smallie. We'll get you back in there and get you some deep water. There you go. Well, there's a little snake right there. Look at that. Red dude, man. I don't know if y'all got to see that or not. He's got dirt on my leg, freak me out. There he is. Boy, he's biting. Like a ton of bricks. Come on in here, big boy. Come on, man. Look, that one's trying to get it too. Look at that. Look at it, they're fighting. What the heck, man? That one's got something in his mouth. He just took the crawdad out of his mouth. I've never seen that happen. I really hope y'all got to see that. That other one came up and ate the crawdad out of this one's mouth. Don't worry, buddy. It wasn't real anyway. I've never seen that. Ever. Ever in my... That was wild. There. Swear to all this is like slate. It's all smooth. And then there's just a little rock patch right there. And then it goes back to smooth. But that's where they're ambushing them all, is right on that little rock patch. There's something hitting on it. That feels better. He's about the same. Oh, that might be the one that, I think that's a largemouth. No, I don't know. It might be a spot, largemouth. Hold on, buddy. Come on up here. Yeah, that's a little better fish right there. Another little juicy smallmouth. Let's get you some water real quick, because that was probably pretty rough on you. There you go. There you go. I was going to take a better picture of him, but he needs a little rest. There he is. Come on up here, big boy. Oh! Where'd you go? Are you getting gone? I don't see you anymore, but where'd you go? I want to make sure you're not going to dry out up here. He's a little guy. Let's make sure he's not just stuck in that rock. Oh, shoot. I think underneath this rock. Yeah. There he went. There he is right there. There. Swear to all this is like slate. It's all smooth. And then there's just a little rock patch right there. And then it goes back to smooth. That's where they're ambushing them all, is right on that little rock patch. There's something hitting on it. That feels better. He's about the same. Oh, that might be the one that, I think that's a largemouth. No, no, it might be a spot, largemouth. Hold on, buddy. Come on up here. Yeah, that's a little better fish right there. Another little juicy smallmouth. Let's get you some water real quick, because that was probably pretty rough on you. There you go. There you go. Fish? Yep. Got something. I may have had it a little too long, but hopefully not. Come on in here, big boy. We'll get that out your mouth. Hopefully. A little spot or a largemouth.